Well, Mommy and I have someone we want you to meet. Okay.
This is a very good friend of mine, Mr. Kovac, right here. And over here's Mr. Feldman. This is Tasha.
Oh, baby.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. You know what happened to me? I was crossing against the light. You don't want to ever do that. You don't want to ever cross against the light.
Remember that.
Where are you from, honey?
Las Vegas, Nevada.
Las Vegas, Nevada. You know where I'm from, me and Jerry? We're from New York City. Hear that siren? They have a lot of sirens like that in New York City. Noise all the time. That's where they have the tall buildings, New York City.
Daddy goes there all the time.
Daddy goes there, huh? Your daddy's he's a nice man.
You are too.
I'm gonna get a cab.
Taxi!
Can I go play tennis?
You sure can.